In today's video, I'm going to teach you. This is the easiest way to label calendar entries. If you've ever looked at a busy calendar and wished you could make sense of it at a glance, color labeling is the simplest trick to bring instant clarity. We're going to keep this process short and friendly, and by the end, your calendar will read like a well-organized dashboard instead of a wall of text. Start by creating or opening an event. On your calendar, click the Create button. This opens the event editor, where you can add the details that matter: the event title, the date and time, the location if there is one, and any notes you want to remember. Be as clear as you can here. A good title and a couple of specifics make the color label even more useful later. Once those basics are in place, keep the editor open because the next step is where the organization magic happens. Now assign a color to the event. Inside the event editor, look for the small color circle. Click it to open your palette. Choose the color you want, and then click Save. That's it. From this moment on, the color you picked acts as a label, making this event instantly recognizable wherever it appears in your calendar. To make colors work for you, give each one a clear meaning and stick to it. Many people like to use blue for work, green for personal, red for urgent, purple for fitness, and yellow for school. You can copy that scheme or adapt it to your life. The key is consistency. When every work event is blue and every urgent task is red, your brain starts to read your calendar by color before you even read the words. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Don't overload yourself with too many colors. 3 to 5 is usually enough. Pick shades that are easy to tell apart, especially if you rely on small month or week views. If you find a color isn't working, you can always reopen the event. Click the color circle again, choose a better option, and save. The label updates everywhere instantly. For recurring events, keeping the same color helps you spot patterns and protects your routine. That's the full flow. Create or open the event, add your details, click the color circle, choose a color, and save. With this effortless habit, your calendar becomes a visual guide you can scan in seconds. Try it on a few upcoming entries right now, and enjoy the instant clarity that color labels bring.